In the video for today, I'm going to show you how to remove or turn off Meta AI on WhatsApp. So the chats that we normally do through WhatsApp with our recipients are end-to-end encrypted, which means it's either us or the recipients who have access to the chat. So pictures or videos or messages, whatever we send to our contacts, it's like only we or them. But when it comes to Meta AI, it has access to most of our information. To all of it, I'm not too sure, but it has access to the information because Meta needs the information to train their AI model to make it more smarter. If you go through their terms and conditions, you're going to come to know about it, but it is actually not possible to completely remove it from WhatsApp because it is inbuilt. It comes with the application. There are three methods to kind of suppress Meta AI on WhatsApp to kind of make it inactive. So the first method to suppress or block or stop Meta AI on your WhatsApp is to simply go ahead and delete it from the list of chats. So open WhatsApp and do a search for Meta AI. Long press on Meta AI, you get a pop-up menu like this. If you click on delete chat, it is going to get deleted. So once it is deleted, access to your chat and your account is going to be limited. Second thing to do is mute notifications from Meta AI. So you could just search for Meta AI again. Just long press on Meta AI. You get a pop-up like this. Click on mute notifications. After you select that, you're going to get a pop-up message like this. Select always. Click on OK. And another thing for you to do is clear AI memory. So you could just do a search for Meta AI again. Open the chat. And if you had a history with Meta AI, if you did a chat with it, you could just go ahead and delete or reset that oucher itself. So you could just type in /reset-AI, send the message, and then you're going to get a notification like this. So do these three things and you are definitely going to limit your interaction with Meta AI. If you have any further questions, I'm all ears. Do let me know in the comment section below via a comment, or you could even send me an email. I'm always ready to respond to your doubts. Give my video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon. Take care, my friend.